Lesson 3, Reproduction in Animals. In this picture, I have written numbers. So match the picture with their baby. Now, as you all know that all animals have the ability to produce young ones, you must have seen a dog with its puppy. The process by which living things produce more of their own kind is called reproduction. However, all animals do not reproduce in the same way. Animals reproduce by laying egg or by giving birth to young ones. So, there are two methods by which animals produce babies of their own kind, either by laying egg or by giving birth to their young ones. Now, birds, insects, frog, fish, reptiles such as lizards, crocodile, snake, etc. lay eggs. So first of all we read about birds. All birds lay egg. An egg has a protective shell called the eggshell, within which a white jelly-like substance called the albumin is present. Within the albumin is the yolk. The yolk provides food for the growing baby or the embryo. The growing baby develops into a chick. The chick grows into an adult. The development of an animal from the embryo is to the adult stage is called this life cycle. In this picture you can easily see the structure of an egg. So the first of all, the outermost shell, the white color shell which you can see, you see in the egg, outermost is its egg shell. When we break it, you can find one jelly-like albumin and one yellow color button shape part, that is yolk. So the main three part of an egg is outer one is eggshell, then albumin and yolk. The eggs has to be kept warm. For this, the parent birds sit on the egg and keep them warm. When the chicks are fully developed, they come out of eggs by breaking the eggshell. This process is called hatching. Insects such as cockroaches, butterflies and grasshopper lay egg. There are three stages of life cycle of a cockroach: the egg, the nymph and the adult. The young ones that hatch out of the eggs are called nymphs. The nymphs grows and it in the process shed or remove its own skin. Now, in this picture you can see the life cycle of a cockroach. First of all, a female cockroach lays egg. Female cockroach egg देती है. It changes into a nymph. ये धीरे धीरे ग्रो करके निम्फ में चेंज करता है. निम्फ अपनी जो उसकी आउटर स्किन होती है उसको ड्रॉप करता जाता है, वो उसमें से शेड होती जाती है और धीरे धीरे वो डेवलप होता जाता है और वापस से बन जाता है अ बिग एडल्ट कॉकरोच. सो दिस इज़ द कंप्लीट लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ ए कॉकरोच. Insects such as butterflies and houseflies have 4 stages in their life cycle: the egg, larva, pupa and adult butterfly. The larva of a butterfly is called caterpillar. The caterpillar hatches out of the egg. It looks different from the adult. The larva eats and grows rapidly. After some time, it stops eating and builds a covering called the pupa around itself. The stage is called the adult butterfly